Hello everybody, welcome to Module 4, week number 4 of EDU 600. We're making great progress with the course and I applaud everybody's effort. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a preview of what is included in week number 4, mention a Zoom meeting that we're going to have on Wednesday, and any other information that comes up. So let's get to week number 4. But before we do that, I just wanted to talk about your week number 3 and the group discussions. The 3 groups, A, B, and C, you all did a wonderful job with that. I greatly appreciated everybody taking the lead in their section, posting when it should have been done, and answering the questions, doing the analysis on your portion. It was excellent. You know, some of the things I'm hearing from other professors is that the students are not participating in the discussion posts. I have to say that is not my experience in this class. Everybody is doing what they need to do. You're doing your initial post and then you're commenting on others. So I really appreciate that. You did a great job with those critiques. So now getting on to week number 4. We are still looking at qualitative research. This week we're going to be looking at the ethnographic research, which you can read here, is used quite often. You know, this is really the type of research that you're going to be looking at cultures. The researcher actually embeds himself. They get involved with the cultures. It's really an interesting type of qualitative research. So here's the definition. There will be this introductory video that I'm taping right now. I will embed it in this and in the announcement. Module 4, the weekly objectives and to-do. So you're going to understand the major concepts of this type of research. You're going to read chapter 4. There's 2 videos to view. So I'm going to just plow my way down the list. You know, all of this information can be found right over here, module 4. So you're going to read chapter 4. There's 2 short videos. I think this one's around 4 minutes and the other one is about the same. Different aspects of ethnography and of this type of research. I encourage you to take a look at both of these. Then I would like you to, in addition to reading chapter 4, read one of these studies. We have these 2. There's direct links to them. Also take a look at pages 67 and then read the simple critique on page 62 of this type of research. And then I'd like you to participate in a discussion forum. So finally, there will be an optional Zoom meeting this Wednesday, September 23rd at 7:15 p.m. That's Eastern Time. There's really no set topics. I'm just trying to, every couple of weeks, have a Zoom session. If you have any questions, please jump on, but don't feel like you have to. This is just a way that we can touch bases and discuss or not discuss. You know, it starts at 7:15. If we go 15 minutes, that's fine. A half hour, that's fine. 45 minutes, that's fine. Whatever. For those that can be there or do want to be there, you can directly ask questions. For those that can't be there, which this is an asynchronous class, so I do not want to make this to be mandatory. If you can't be there, I will record it and I'll put it on Brightspace on Thursday. So down here is the weekly discussion forums. I'd like you to read one of those 2 articles and then answer these questions there. That is it for the week. We don't need to do any more than that. We don't need to make it any more complicated. Focus in on chapter 4, view the videos, do the discussion post, participate on Wednesday evening if you want to jump on to the optional Zoom meeting, and that will be it. So keep up the great work. I'm really impressed with this class so far. There's very few stragglers. Everybody's doing what they need to do. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, something's coming up, you just don't understand it, please contact me. We could have a Zoom meeting. We can talk on the telephone. We could text, email, whatever works best for you. So keep up the great work, and we'll see you online.